Well, the gun deer season is just 4 days away, and now people are starting to get ready. Drew joins us in the Sports Center with an update. Drew?
Oh, you know, the gun deer season means a lot to take care of before you head out into the woods this weekend. We are just a handful of days away from Saturday's opener of the gun deer season. Are you ready? Fox 11's Ted Stefaniak has more as we prepare you for Deer Hunt 2010.
We're going for the bullseye. Oh, you know you're buying lunch again.
With the start of the gun deer season now just days away, you'll find a steady stream of customers at your local rifle range. Hunters are sharpening their skills and sighting in their guns at places like the De Pere Sportsman's Club.
Usually they're anticipating the recoil, so a lot of times we tell them to slow down, make sure that the shot surprises them. We really want them to not focus on the recoil, to make sure that they're focusing on the target and to forget about all the other stuff.
Preparation can be the key to an enjoyable week of hunting. Getting that gun ready is just the start before heading off to deer camp later this week.
Check through my gear to make sure I don't forget anything. Make sure the wife didn't pack any socks in my gun case, so when I get home they're still there.
I've had some hunters tell me that the opening of gun deer season is like Christmas morning with guns. There's definitely a lot of anticipation as the hunters get ready to hit the woods.
Anticipation is the greatest part of it. Once you kill your buck, it's kind of like you're happy, but then you're done for the season.
The adrenaline don't start really going until about 2 days before, when you start dreaming about that big buck at night when you're trying to sleep.
The gun deer season opens up Saturday morning. The DNR is encouraging everyone to check the hunting regulations for changes and practice safety in the field. Ted Stefaniak, Fox 11 Sports.